Hello friends, welcome to Pro Talent and I am Nitin Parmar and we are discussing about capsule modules for current affair. In this module, we are going to discuss about Himachal Pradesh law against forced conversion. So we all know that UP ordinance on love jihad, which is the forced conversion के खिलाफ उन्होंने you can say ऑर्डिनेंस पास किया और बड़ा हल्ला हुआ पूरे देश में. ठीक है, उसका कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनलिटी के ऊपर सवाल पैदा हुआ. इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो में आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट वन हिमाचल प्रदेश एट द सेम टाइम वेयर एल्स दिस काइंड ऑफ लॉज आर देयर. ठीक है, किसने शुरुआत करी थी, क्या हुआ था, आज क्या सिनारियो है, एवरीथिंग इज मेंशन इन वन वीडियो अबाउट दिस लव जिहाद. ओके, और फोर्स कन्वर्जन के बारे में. ओके, जबरन धर्मांतरण के खिलाफ जो कानून बनाया जा रहा है आजकल अलग अलग स्टेट्स के द्वारा, उसके बारे में ये पूरी जानकारी है. चलिए देखते हैं. सबसे पहली बात है, इस हिमाचल प्रदेश के लॉ का नाम क्या है. हिमाचल प्रदेश फ्रीडम ऑफ रिलीजन एक्ट 2019. ओके दोस्तों, ये पर्टिकुलर एक्ट है, उसके प्रोविजन क्या है. दोस्तों पहले 2006 में ये लॉ लेकर आए थे, उसको रिप्लेस कर दिया वापस, क्योंकि उस समय पर वो रिपील हो गया था, असेंबली ने उसको ना बोल दिया था. Now it is a stringent law. It says that you can say any force conversion, that is conversion by force, किसी को force करके convert करना from one religion to other, और inducement करना, उसको ललचाना. ठीक है, और inducement करना through marriages. ठीक है, मैरिज के नाम के ऊपर किसी को you can say रजिस्टर करवाना अपने धर्म में. ठीक है, और अडॉप्टिंग अ न्यू रिलीजन. ठीक है, वो इस पर्टिकुलर एक्ट के द्वारा फोर्स्ड कन्वर्जन माना जाएगा और उसके अंदर पनिशमेंट मिलेगी, एंड द पनिशमेंट इज अप टू 7 year जेल. दिस इज वेरी स्ट्रिंजेंट. ओके, ठीक है, एनीवन हु वायलेट्स दिस विल हैव अ 7 year jail term. Dalits, women or minor, when they were made to convert, the jail term will be between 2 to 7 years. So generally in this Indian society, conversion to religion has been going on since ages. Okay, Muslims ने आकर लोगों को कन्वर्ट किया, क्रिश्चियनिटी ने भी कन्वर्ट किया, अलग अलग मिशनरी मोड के ऊपर उन्होंने अलग अलग तरीके से लोगों को कन्वर्ट किया. ठीक है, कभी कभार कोई अपनी मर्जी से कन्वर्ट हुआ, कभी फोर्सफुली, कभी इंड्यूसमेंट के द्वारा, अलग अलग तरीके से ये कन्वर्जन के बारे में इश्यूज हुए भारत में. ठीक है, कभी कभार कुछ समझदार और पढ़े लिखे लोगों ने भी खुद अपने आप कन्वर्ट हुए हैं, जैसे डॉक्टर B.R. आम्बेडकर गॉट कन्वर्टेड फ्रॉम हिंदुइज्म टू बुद्धिज्म. ओके, सो दैट वे पीपल हैव गॉट कन्वर्टेड. जब कोई बंदा अपनी मर्जी से कन्वर्ट होता है, ठीक है, फ्री कंसेंट देकर कन्वर्ट होता है, आई थिंक दैट इज प्रीटी ओके. ओके, बट व्हेन इट इज फोर्स्ड, then that is not okay. Okay, so here the Himachal Pradesh Freedom of Religion Act 2019 puts 7 years jail term. Earlier it was only 3 year jail term, so that's a big change. Okay, it also prohibits any conversion which is made by misrepresentation, कि आपको ये बताया गया कि आप हमारे धर्म में आइए और आपको मोक्ष मिलेगा, या ऐसा कोई भी चीज जो गलत है, मिसरिप्रेजेंटेशन है, फोर्स के द्वारा, अनड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस के द्वारा. दोस्तों आई एम श्योर यू नो अ वर्ड कॉल्ड अनड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस. ओके, अनड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस का मतलब है कोई एक बंदा अपनी पोजीशन का गलत यूज करके आपको यू कैन से इन्फ्लुएंस करके आपको कन्वर्ट करा रहा है. कोएर्शन, ठीक है, इंड्यूसमेंट, मैरिज और एनी fraudulent means. Okay, so any marriage for the sole purpose of conversion will be declared null and void, and it will fall under this category, and then there is a punishment. Okay, here there has to be a notice to be provided to a magistrate when someone wants to convert from one religion to other. Okay, anyone who is seeking to convert will need to give a 1 month's notice to district magistrate to get converted. Okay, and this provision will not be applicable to those people who seek to convert to their parent religion. For example, let's say you were originally Hindu, okay, then you converted to Islam, and then once again you want to come back to Hindu, then this provision will not be applicable. Okay, then some NGOs, when they are involving in this kind of conversion, these NGOs will not be allowed to accept any donation from, you can say, people of India or outside India. Okay, this is very crucial. Okay, this will definitely restrict large number of, you can say, conversion due to misrepresentation or undue influence or inducement. This is very crucial. I believe this is very crucial. Okay, now which are the states where similar laws are there? Recently, Uttar Pradesh has announced Uttar Pradesh prohibition of unlawful conversion of religious ordinance 2020. They put this word called marriage, misrepresentation, force, fraud, undue influence, coercion, allurement, and marriage. Okay, so the goal of the law is to check unlawful religious conversion. It is happening unchecked. Okay, because there are so many people who are trying to convert large number of people into their religion and interfaith marriages with the sole intention of changing a girl's religion. Okay, and thereby it is popularly known as love jihad. Okay, however, in many cases, you can say court has said that this kind of things are unconstitutional. Okay, we will discuss about it in a few minutes. Criminal conversion in violation of the provision of the law will have a punishment up to 10 years in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, which are the other states? Madhya Pradesh and Odisha. Let me tell you, you can say where such kind of things are happening. For example, let's we start with Rajasthan first. 2006, Rajasthan Assembly approved this anti-conversion bill, but the president discarded it. Okay, okay. Currently, Rajasthan's, you can say, bill is pending in the hands of president. 2008, they once again passed it in their assembly, but it requires president's approval. So Rajasthan, this is a scenario. Gujarat in 2003, it was the first state to make prior permission of the district administration compulsory for the conversion. Okay, so currently in Gujarat, it is district magistrate's approval is compulsory. In Madhya Pradesh in 1968, okay, they were the first state to enact a law to regulate religious conversion. Further, they made certain amendment in 2013. Okay, they said prior permission is compulsory. So Madhya Pradesh has already a law which is called Dharma Swatantra Adhiniyam 1968. So this is possibly the first state doing that. If we talk about Himachal, in 2011, Himachal Pradesh High Court struck down the provision for mandatory prior permission. So they removed it. Okay. Now once again they brought back, and this is 2019 law, Himachal, that is in the news. Okay, let's talk about Arunachal Pradesh. In 1978, Arunachal Pradesh enacted this law. Arunachal Pradesh enacted this law for, you can say, protecting local tribes. Okay, Arunachal did it in 1969. Odisha government, okay, Odisha, you can say government, you can say made this law in 1967, but it was declared to be unconstitutional. Once again, in 1977, Supreme Court restored one of Madhya Pradesh and the other of Odisha to be valid law. Okay, High Court of Odisha said that is rejected it, but later on Supreme Court approved both laws, that is of Madhya Pradesh and Odisha. So today it is Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh and your Himachal Pradesh is in the news. Chhattisgarh, we can say they inherited this law from Madhya Pradesh. They amended in 2006 and they said district magistrates prior approval is mandatory. Tamil Nadu government passed this law in 2002, but it was repealed in 2006. Okay, this is how the scenario is. Currently, Karnataka, Jharkhand and Uttarakhand, these three states have a proposal for this anti-conversion law. Okay, I hope this is very comprehensive for your understanding. Great दोस्तों, ठीक है. I think this will give you complete knowledge about this anti-conversion law. Okay, great. Thank you very much for watching it. Do not miss out to take this PDF from protalentdigital.com. You must like this video. If you gain some knowledge from our side, okay, you also you can say click on the bell icon and share this video, share this channel to large number of people. Okay, this is very crucial. And at the same time, do not miss out to purchase our courses. They are available on courses.protalentdigital.com. Okay, we are bringing very good quality, you can say, courses for you, which is available for CLAT, IIM, IPM and CAT. Okay, thank you very much for watching this and all the best.